Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these Ajinomoto Gyozas, Japanese style. I got these at COSTCO. They were, yeah, look at the box. It's pretty big. It's 1.44 kilograms. And these are the Japanese style, so check this out. So ingredients, if you guys want to read it, pause the video. It does contain wheat, soy, and sesame, so be aware of that. And there's the nutrition, there's the sauce ingredients as well. So okay, let's open this up. Well, here are the ingredients. Here are the instructions here. So okay, let's do this. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It comes in individual packages, which is really nice. Here's the sauce, which is nice. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, one for each pack. So, and I'm gonna cook it up. Okay, so I have it cooking right now. Okay, so here's the gyoza, and we're gonna do a quick taste test here. It's good. It tastes like the ones you would find in a restaurant. Very thinly wrapped, and yeah, really good. If you check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.